A pair of Indian bulbuls nest. After 3 days of nesting, the female laid a pair of eggs and they went out. After a week, the chicks came out of the eggs. The female, watching me petrified, slight feathers started growing after a week. Still, their eyelids are closed, opening their mouth for food. Both the parents were feeding them. Whenever I went near it, they just opened their mouth like this, awaiting their parents for their food. Now they were sleeping. These were the parents watching me taking the video of their offsprings. Now the chicks are grown and the feathers started developing. Now their eyes are opened and the feathers are developed fully throughout their body. Almost the second week. Now they are watching me. Now their mouths are closed as they can differentiate me and their parents. The nest is a bit congested for them as they are grown. Soon they will leave the nest. Almost a week to go. Now both of them can't fit into the nest. One started peeping out its head. See how carefully the parents chose the place to build their nest, in between the thorny plants and in the shade. Now, one was sitting at the edge of its nest. Soon it will fly out, and the next day they flew away.